Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Then today we are going to discuss about uh, thinking about language. Today we are going to discuss about thinking about language. There are nouns in the text. Formation, government, like that. Which are formed from the corresponding verbs. Form, govern, like formation, form and its. Then here govern changed it to government by suffixing ation or ment. There may be a change in the spelling of some noun pairs, verb or noun pairs, such as rebel, rebellion, constitute, constitution. Then give me which are the things you can get. Make a list of such pairs of nouns and verbs in the text. Okay, you want to write, you want to read your chapter well, and surely you will get such kinds of verbs, noun and verb. Okay, I will give another example. Oppressor, oppress. Oppressor is the noun and oppress is the verb, right? Then gathering, gathering, gather. Understand? Okay, you can write your own. Okay, then next we have read the paragraph below, fill in the blanks with the noun forms of the verbs in the brackets. Simple questions, I know that surely you will get. Okay, just read with me. Martin Luther King's contribute to our history as an outstanding leader began when he came to dash assist of Rosa Parks. Listen all of you. Okay, all of you just listen. Martin Luther King's contribution. Martin Luther King's contribution to our history as an outstanding leader began when he came to the assistance of Rosa Parks, a seamstress who refused to give up her seat on a bus to a white passenger. In those days, American blacks were confined to position of second-class citizenship by restrictive laws and customs. To break these laws would mean subjugate is the verb, which is the noun here. Subjugation and give me humiliate. Subjugation and humiliation by the police and the legal system. Then beatings, imprisonment and sometimes death awaited those who defied the system. Martin Luther King's tactics of protest involved non-violence, resistance to racial injustice. Okay, all of you, we completed. And next thing, that is our using the definite article with the names. We already studied about definite and indefinite, two articles, definite and indefinite. Which is our definite article? Give me. Yes, the is the definite article. Which is the indefinite article? That is a and an. You know that the definite article the is not normally used before proper nouns. Nor do proper nouns usually occur in the plural. We do not say the Nelson Mandela or Nelson Mandelas. But now look at the sentences from the text. The decades of oppression and brutality produced the Oliver Tambo's, the Walter Cecilus of our time. Used in this way with the and or in the plural, a proper noun carries a special meaning. What is that? For example, what do you think the names above mean? Choose the right answer. For example, Oliver Tambo, Walter Cicely, that is the one thing. And many other men like Oliver Tambo, Walter Cicely, and many men of their type or kind whose names may not be as well as known. Give me which is the right answer here. Which is the right answer here? What we mean about by using the decades of oppression and brutality produced the Oliver Tampus, the Walter Cicilus, and of our time. Just read that sentence from your textbook. Speed up. Okay, then I think that answer is here, answer is there, then you understood that. That's why the second option is right. Understood. Just like, okay, then here, how we can read again that thing again. Here, many other men like Oliver Tambus, Walter Cicero, many men of their type or kind, whose names may not be as well as known. Understand that B is the second option is the right answer. Okay, then by understanding this, surely we can complete the coming questions also. How we can? Here are some more examples of the used with proper nouns, names. Try to say what these sentences mean, and you may consult a dictionary if you wish. Look at the entry of the. Okay, surely I will give you two answers. Okay, all of you listen. Here are here Mr. Singh regularly invites the Amitabh Bachchans and the Shah Rukh Khans to his parties. Understood all of you? Give me Mr. Singh. Give me Mr. Singh regularly invites the Amitabh Bachchans and the Shah Rukh Khans to his parties. Then give me what is here. We are then we want to the proper names and say why these sentence mean, which is try to say what these sentence mean. What these sentence mean? Many other men like Amitabh Bachchan, read Amitabh Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan are invited. What is the answer? Many other men like Amitabh Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan are invited. Understood? But why we use the other? Understood? Next. Many people think that Madhuri Dixit is the Madhubala of our time. Read again. Many people think that Madhuri Dixit is the Madhubala of our time. What it mean? Is it right? What it mean? It's mean then give me Madhuri Dixit is as beautiful as Madhubala. Madhuri Dixit is as beautiful as Madhubala. Okay, then third one. Okay, I will give you everything. Okay, just listen. Third one. History is not only the story of the Alexanders, the Napoleons, and the Hitlers, but of the ordinary people. Read. History is not only the story of the Alexanders, the Napoleons, and the Hitlers, but of the ordinary people. And I think you get that meaning in Malayalam, right? Right? Yes. History is the story of many such people like Alexander, Napoleon, and Hitler, as well as those whose names may not be as well known. Read again. History is the story of many such people like Alexander, Napoleon, and Hitler, as well as those whose names may not be as well known. Okay. Then Next thing, our idiomatic expressions. Okay, take everyone. Idiomatic expression. Match the italicized phrases in column A with the phrase nearest meaning in column B. Then hint here. First look for the sentence in the text which phrase in the column A occurs. Okay, then we can start. Read everything. I was not unmindful of facts when my comrades and I were pushed to our limits to reassure me and keep me going. The basic and honorable freedoms of earning my keep. Here we have had not forgotten, was aware of fact, was not careful about the fact, forgot or was not aware of the fact. When my comrades and I were pushed to our limit, second one, pushed by the gods to the wall, took more than our share of beatings, felt that we could not endure the suffering any longer. To reassure me and keep me going, make me go on walking, help me continue to live in hope in this very difficult situation, make me remain without complaining. The basic and honorable freedoms of earning my keep, earning enough money to live on, keeping what I earned, getting a good salary. Okay, symbol. Okay, how we can? I was not unmindful of fact. Give me. What is that? Had not forgotten, was aware of fact. When my comrades and I were pushed to our limits, felt that we could not endure the suffering any longer. To reassure me and keep me going, help me continue to live in hope in this very difficult situation. The basic and honorable freedoms of earning my keep, earning enough money to live on. Okay, then all of you listen. We completed most of our grammar parts and we have what we have then? Speaking session. In groups, discuss the issue suggested in the box below. Then prepare a speech of about 2 minutes on the following topic. First, make notes in your speech in writing. True liberty is freedom from poverty, deprivation, and all forms of discrimination. Listen. Causes of poverty and means of overcoming it. Next thing, discrimination based on gender, religion, class, etc. Third one, constitutionally guaranteed human rights. Read the question well. Here we have the hints and surely you can write a speech. That's your homework for tomorrow. Okay, all of you? Then next session, writing session. That means I think it's better to, you can send, no need to, you can write in your notebook and just send that voice through WhatsApp. Okay, all of you? Next, writing session, looking at the contrast. Nelson Mandela's writing is marked by balance. Many sentences have two parts in balance. Listen, use the following phrase to complete the sentences given below. Okay, all of you, read this. They can be taught to love. I was born free, but the time for it. But the who conquers that fear to create such heights of character. Read, all of you. Read. Okay, questions. It requires such depths of operation to create. Give me. To create such heights of character. Courage was not the absence of fear, but the time for it. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. If people can learn to hate, they can be taught to love. It was Not born with a hunger to be free. I was born free. Okay. Then read question number 2 here. Read all of you. These texts repeatedly contrast the past with the present or the future. We can use coordinated clauses to contrast two views for emphasis or effect. Given below are sentences carrying one part of the contrast. Find the text, the second part of the contrast, and complete each item. Identify the words which signal the contrast. This has been done for you in the first item. Example here. For decades, the Union buildings had been the seat of white supremacy. And now, we can add. Right. Okay. Then read your second question. Okay, I will read the first question again. For decades, the Union buildings had been the seat of white supremacy. And now, it was the site of rainbow gathering of different colors and nations for the installation of South Africa's first democratic non-racial government. Next, only moments before the highest generals of South African Defence Force and Police saluted me and pledged their loyalty. Not so many years before, they would not have saluted, but arrested me. Contrast. Okay, now they are saluting. Then what they are doing now? Not now. Now they are saluting before. That means before what they did. Okay, arrested. Then next. Although that day neither group knew the lyrics of anthem, they would soon. Although that day neither group knew the lyrics of the anthem, they one despised, and they would soon know the words by heart. Everything that is in our textbook. Okay. My country is rich in the minerals and gems that lie beneath its soil, but I have always known that its greatest wealth is its people, finer and truer than the purest diamonds. The air show was not only a display of pinpoint precision and military force, but a demonstration of military's loyalty to democracy, to a new government, and had been freely and fairly elected. Okay, then sixth one, it was this desire for the freedom of my people to live their lives with dignity and self respect that animated my life, that transformed a frightened young man into a bold one, that drove a law-abiding attorney to become criminal, that turned a family-loving husband into a man without a home. Okay, then we completed most of the everything of these question answers. Everything is in our textbook, directly in our textbook. Then here we completed most of that means we completed the grammar part and this chapter successfully, I think so, right? Is it successfully or not? Everything in your hands, right? Surely you want to read a textbook well. Then don't forget, then I think that there is no time for giving support, because our situation is like this. That's why. Otherwise, if we are in our school, if we are in our class, surely we got time for motivating you people and inspire you for guiding in your guiding for, as a good guide for mentoring, for leading in your future and everything. Surely miss you a lot, miss you a lot, you all. Anyway, study well. നന്നായിട്ട് വീട്ടിലിരുന്നിട്ട് പഠിക്കുക. നമ്മളെ സിറ്റുവേഷൻ്റെ കാര്യമൊക്കെ ഇനിയിപ്പോൾ ഒന്നും പറയണ്ട. ഇനി എന്നാണ് ഓപ്പണിങ്, എന്താ ഏതാന്നുള്ളത് നമുക്കറിയില്ല. നിങ്ങൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക, നന്നായിട്ട് പഠിക്കുക. നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും നന്നായിട്ട് മിസ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. നിങ്ങൾ നന്നായിട്ട് പഠിക്കുക. ഞങ്ങൾ ഈ കഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്നതിൻ്റെയൊക്കെ റിസൾട്ട് നിങ്ങളെ കയ്യിലാണ്. we are expecting more from you people. Okay, study well and just write everything in your notebook, everything. Okay, then listen carefully all your online classes and reply that you can respond to your teachers, then everything, then you can ask your doubts. ഒന്നും മിസ്സാവാതെ നോക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, അപ്ഡേറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് ഡൗട്ടൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ക്ലിയർ ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പോൾ ഓൺലൈൻ അല്ലേ എന്നുള്ള ആ ഒരു ചിന്തയൊന്നും വേണ്ട. നന്നായിട്ട് ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചിരിക്കുക, നന്നായിട്ട് പഠിക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, ബൈ.